Welcome to Hyatt Regency Thrissur, the first branded 5-star property in the cultural capital of Kerala. This is a 77-room property with 7 state-of-the-art meeting spaces and exquisite dining option. We also have recreational facilities like 24 hours fitness center and outdoor pool and our spa Santata. Kindly allow us to take you around. Welcome to our standard room with attached washroom facility. Here we have minibar and electronic lockers. As you can see on your right hand side, we have full-fledged entertainment system. As you can see behind you, we have pool view or the city view with king bed or twin bed to choose from. Kindly allow me to show you the twin bed. This is the twin bed. All our rooms are equipped with high-speed internet connectivity. This is our Regency suite with spacious living room and attached washroom. The suite offers minibar and electronic locker facilities. As you can see on your left-hand side, we have full-fledged entertainment system and all our rooms are equipped with high-speed internet connectivity. Kindly allow me to show you the bedroom. This is our bedroom with a king-size bed, and on your right-hand side we have a spacious washroom with a bathtub. Welcome to our luxurious presidential suite. This is our living area with a washroom, a kitchenette and a dedicated dining space. This is our presidential suite bedroom with a king-size bed and a spacious washroom with a bathtub, a walk-in closet and a workstation. As you can see from this room, you can enjoy the panoramic view of the natural landscape.
Welcome to Nuga, Gourmet Store at Hyatt Regency Thrissur. Opens from 9 to 9, serving a selection of international desserts, signature cakes, single estate tea, signature coffees, to dine in or to take away. Looking forward to see you soon.
Hi, welcome to Regency Cafe. My name is Anuj Gopal, Director of Food and Beverage at Hyatt Regency Thrissur. What we serve here is an international spread of breakfast essentials with Kerala delicacies. We are open from 6:30 to 10:30 in the morning. Looking forward to see you.
Hi, welcome to Regency Cafe here in Hyatt Regency Thrissur. I am Jijo Joy and I'm the Executive Sous Chef here. Allow me to take you through the signature thali what we are offering here on weekdays from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. It's a classic vegetarian thali with an added non-veg options. Looking forward to see you soon. Thank you. Hi, I'm welcoming you all to the buffet here at Hyatt Regency Thrissur. We are offering a wide range of multi-cuisine delicacies, open every day, 7 to 11 p.m. Also, we have an option for a la carte 24/7.
Here we have our outdoor swimming pool from where you can enjoy the grilled and barbecue from our poolside outlet. Welcome to Santata Spa. Here we offer international and signature therapies. Welcome to Studio, our meeting space. This can be divided into Studio 1, 2 and 3. This is Regency Ballroom, one of the largest and luxurious event space in the city with an inbuilt stage. It is equipped with advanced audio-visual system. This is our Regal Ballroom, a huge pillar space which can be partitioned to create a pre-function area. This is Natika, which can accommodate 150 guests, an ideal space for your social gatherings or breakout sessions.